You people see me, I've opened my television. If my husband come back and attend that, I carry this. So this is the Wi-Fi this thing. My little baby is here. Hey guys, welcome back again to the channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing okay. It's your girl Divine Okonkwo once again. You guys, in today's video I'm going to take you along my day. It's currently towards the 3-4 p.m. yeah, and the sun is out. I'm just here feeling myself with these filters from the sun, you get me? So after much wasting of time on the camera and doing nothing, I stood up and got busy. So I just want to take you guys along. Yeah, basically it's take you guys along whatever I'm going to do, and I hope you guys will enjoy the rest of this video. So this is television, and I'm trying to loosen it now. I'll try and lose it as directed by what I saw. So I will try as much as possible to loosen it. Oh God, help my life. This is what I saw from the video. So, yeah. See, this thing is looking too big for it. So that one was looking big. When I changed it and I brought it, I just saw that this one is going to be the direction. Oh no, it's not doing it. Just have to start doing research on why is it that I cannot connect my TV to the internet. Is this one even shaking at all? Oh boy, are you shaking? Or you're just there and I think that, and I'm here thinking that you're shaking. See you, see me, I'm here cleaning myself. See this screwdriver. I don't know that there's a way you can change them and have different mouths here. And I was here cleaning myself since, so I've changed it. And let's get to work. Hello. If my husband is around and he sees me doing this thing, I'm not even let him shout. Why are you shouting? Hey, I'm losing my television. So I'm done losing it. Trying to lift them. I didn't remove the this thing entirely because I don't want to miss the nut. So it's just there, but I'm losing them. I'm losing them. So I just left them. Hey, well, village people don't they call my name. So I just left them small. Hey, Wonka Adapu, Chimo, come here. Eh? Why did you fall? See, you guys, imagine this one just fell down. Let me try and open it though. I have to keep this camera. For me to open it though, this one is open. Come here, come. Okay. You people see me, I've opened my television. I've opened it though. And I'm not even seeing the thing that they say is the cause why I'm not getting, I can't connect it, because this is what they say is the cause. But this one is still looking straight, it's not bent. It says it's meant to be bent, so it's not supposed to be straight. It's meant to be straight, it's not supposed to. Okay, this one is bent today. It's to be straight. Capital, here's this one. Okay. Okay, this one is bent again. I'm going to straighten it. The rest are straight. This one is bent too. Oh, this is the Wi-Fi, whatever. So I'm going to cover it back now and check if it's working now. Because you guys know somehow I can't connect to. Maybe I lost to connect so that I can get bigger screen. So this is the Wi-Fi based according to what I watched. This is what I connected to Wi-Fi. And you see all these places were bent. I've straightened it up. They said it's not meant to be bent. But I've also straightened here. Here also, that place also was bent. So I've straightened it up. I'm just going to go ahead now. And see if I did a good job here. How do I show you the video? Let me see if it's good though. You guys look at it. Hey, we must not come back and attend that. I carry this television down. I'm losing everything. The guy no go agree. He will not believe until he watch the video. I don't laugh because I know that the next thing he will say when he watch that video will be very funny. Okay, I've turned it on now. Let me see if it will work. Give me. I don't want to hang it. Okay, let me hang it first. So I've hung it though. I'm praying that it will work. No Ethernet connection. I want to off this DSTV. I've turned that thing that is talking off. Let me know what I'm doing. So sorry. How am I even going to? Network. Wi-Fi connection. Let me see. Hey God, I pray. It came out though. Yes, this is divine. See you guys here. If you see how I've battled to connect this television to the Wi-Fi, I would have shown you he's asking for my password. I'm coming. I would have shown you guys what the stress I've gone through for this thing to connect since we got this television. I've just been trying to do it, but it's not working until I said, okay, let me just check it on YouTube and see what's going on. I checked, then I ran into a video because I've done the whole. I even called LG customer. They did not know what was going on. They would not understand what I was explaining to. But long story cut short, I'm able to connect my my television to the Wi-Fi, and I'm so excited. Let me connect one thing first. Let me enter my password. So it's been connected. It has ticked good. I've been seeing that it have ticked good. Okay, let me see if. But I don't think I have Wi-Fi though. Oh yeah, excuse. Exits. Then. Let me see. Oh, YouTube. What is this thing saying? to enable download of this app. In fact, see, the thing is not getting long. It's not getting long. The process is not long. I'm just happy I've connected my Wi-Fi. Okay. And I have my YouTube on my screen. At least I'll be seeing it in big screen. So this is what I'm actually watching on my phone now. This is our communion service. Yep, communion service, and they are ready to. So this is what I'm watching.
The next day.
What are you seeing? Close your mouth. Say hi. Guys, I'm super excited. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. I have an order that is coming from me, and that order, I don't know how to contain my joy. I don't know how to contain this excitement I'm feeling. Like, is this finally happening? Hey! What? I want to scream, but this compound people will say, what is happening? So I have an order that is coming from me. They've called me on their way. I can't wait to see what is inside. Yeah, okay. You came together. Okay, you miss road. You're not gonna call me. Thank you.
Thank God I called you.
See my little baby is here. Like, I got myself a laptop. See, if you're on this channel, you know how much I've been craving for laptop. Let me say yes, I've been craving for laptop. This is the first laptop I'll be using in my life. In my life. At least this thing will cheer me up. It will lift my ginger up. Right? So this is the first laptop I will use in my life. See, I don't know any key in this laptop. I'm just going to start learning all of them. I will start unboxing this. And I will unbox it to people. Hey, my first laptop. And I did it. I told you guys on my birthday wish list what I wished for. I wished for a laptop. And the baby girl gotten her laptop for the first time in her life. See, this video is just going to end here. I will see you all in the next video. Let me go unbox this video. I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.